The Instant Pot Duo 9-in-1 electric pressure cooker is a versatile kitchen appliance that combines multiple cooking functions into a single device, streamlining meal preparation and saving valuable kitchen space. Key features: multifunctional cooking. This appliance serves as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, and food warmer, offering 7 cooking functions in one unit. Don't waste your money. Smart programs. Equipped with 14 built-in smart programs, it allows users to cook dishes like soup, meat, stew, bean, chili, poultry, sauté, steam, rice, porridge, multigrain, and more with the press of a button. Don't waste your money. Safety mechanisms. The Instant Pot Duo includes over 10 safety features, such as overheat protection and a safe locking lid, ensuring safe cooking experiences. Amazon user-friendly design. Its stainless steel construction and dishwasher-safe lid, inner pot, and accessories make for easy cleaning and maintenance. Amazon customer feedback. Users appreciate the Instant Pot Duo for its ease of use, time-saving capabilities, and versatility. Many highlight its effectiveness as a pressure cooker and rice cooker. While some mention a slight learning curve, the overall sentiment is overwhelmingly positive. Best Buy considerations. While the Instant Pot Duo offers numerous cooking functions, some users may find the array of features overwhelming initially. However, with regular use, most become comfortable with its operations. Conclusion. The Instant Pot Duo 9-in-1 electric pressure cooker is a valuable addition to any kitchen, especially for those seeking to consolidate multiple cooking appliances into one. Its versatility, safety features, and positive user feedback make it a worthwhile investment for both novice and experienced cooks.